Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm LaShanda Green, local realtor in Metro Atlanta, and today I will share with you some fall maintenance tips you don't want to miss. Fall is approaching now and is a good time to prepare your home for the colder months ahead. Here are some essential fall maintenance tips. Number 1, a roof inspection. With all the summer storms, it's a great time to have your roof inspector inspect for damage or missing shingles and fix them to prevent any kind of roof leaks. Number 2, your heating system. Schedule a professional inspection and cleaning. Change out the air filters in your furnace. Do you need an HVAC technician? Let me know, I have one. Number 3, windows and doors. Check them. Install storm doors and windows if you don't have them. Add or replace worn weather stripping. And finally, number 4, check safety devices. Test smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, and fire extinguishers. Replace batteries if needed. By completing these fall maintenance tasks, you can help ensure your home is prepared for the colder months and reduce the risk of costly repairs later on. If you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. If you or someone you know is looking for a local realtor in Metro Atlanta, please give them my phone number at 404-403-8022. Again, I'm LaShanda Green. Have a good day.